Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today we are going to be playing Big Win Sports. And I know most of you guys not really interested in sports. Well, a lot. Let's just turn that down a little. There. And I've already started, obviously, because I don't know why, obviously, but I just said that. So let's get to the game. It's laggy as all crap. You finish. Okay. Let's get to the game. Looks like a friend has asked me for a challenge. Let's accept. Oh wait. I'm gonna get cards. I just ignore that advertisement. And it looks like I have to get close. Choose a card back. That one. That one. A pitcher, contact glove, 31 games, air free, he's safe. Continue. See what we get on this one. Oh yay, uniform 10. I always wanted that. I was actually hoping to get that. Okay, next pack. Uniform 6. 2 uniforms in a row. I guess I can wait. Oh yeah, I remember seeing this. Who knows what the big rush is? Making contact, that would be good. Air free, and he's safe. Yeah, I love it when he makes that sound. Alright, let's watch the game. Start from opening pitch. Let's do it. Obviously, he's not online because I think he's gone somewhere. And if you want to see what team I am, my team is called Ireland Giants. Ireland, am I right? And yes, I'm finally back. I haven't been making much episodes lately, so yeah. But lots. Well, I seen Hunter play this, so I decided to go ahead and play this. Out! Out! Again. You're out! Oh my god, that was easy. That's a yeah, that was a base. And he's going to the base. He's on his way. He's there. And out. That was the first out. Oh wait, actually second. Close. At least better than him. Oh, that was a good one. Oh my god. Oh, that was crazy. That was lucky. That was really lucky. Out, yes. And sorry I haven't been showing my face for a while. I'm going to be doing a lot of gaming, usually, because I don't know. How was it? Hey, Bob Marley. I don't know why I named one of my baseball players Bob Marley. No clue why. Second base. Hit that, baby. Oh. Yay. I'm sorry, I may be sounding a little bit sick, because I am. I'm so happy I'm finally back, and that this is gonna go pretty fast. Oh God! Oh, thank God! That was a great catch. Oh, that was so close. That kind of scared me. Ooh, the walk. Looks like that's a base run. Safe. Good. That's a base run. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! We're winning! Boot! My players are just like crushing it out there. That is not a base run. I could see that this is going to be a quick game. So yeah. This is a beautiful game. Hit it. Oh. Come on, please. Yes. Yes. Oh. Fifth inning. Looks like his players are getting good out there. Might be getting used to the game. Oh! That was almost a catch! No! Back when I was playing baseball, I won a lot of games. Games were not like this. They're actually really fun. It's obvious. Baseball is fun. Run, run. Nice. Oh, that just makes me so mad. Okay guys, I think I'm just gonna skip a little bit, just to get some progress in it, so I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, guys, I just skipped this to the 7th inning because it's not really much progress, but it just to give this video less time. It's the making contact card for me. It's making it way better, really. And error free. Error free. I don't know about he's safe. I forgot what that does. Maybe like it ups the chance of getting your players safe in base. I don't know. I think I might do a vlog today. Yes. 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 Oh, 7. This is a lucky one. This is like the luckiest game I've ever got with Hunter. Oh, he got annihilated. Oh no, Donaldson. I knew it, he was gonna hit that. Donaldson's an all-star character. Safe. Either he's a platinum character or an all-star. Yes. I gotta get back to Clash of Clans too. Because I see... Oh, also, put in the comments below and tell me if you want Minecraft Survival to come back. Because I've done a little bit of things off Ammonet. And it's really fun. It's like, it's awesome. I haven't done much progress.
Take your bait.
That's so funny. He was taking his base and then he just walks. He just walks right onto home plate. 3 points, yay! Guess I should skip to the end. I don't know. Oh, it's the 9th inning. Okay. Last inning. Just to take a walk, eh? Take a walk. It is just to take a walk. Whee! Please don't tell me that's a homer. Okay. That's not a homer.
Take your base.
Take your base. Okay, here's the last thing. Here's the last game. What? Oh. Never mind. Who wins? I do. Yes. Yay. Yeah. Yeah. That's awesome. That's the best. Cause I could buy a new. Cause I can buy a. Wait, actually. I think I'm dying. I've always wanted to say that. Sorry. Yeah. Hey. Run. Pikachu, use run. Pikachu. Change uniform.
Go get dressed. We're going to the airport.
Okay. Yay! Yay! My team's green now. Yay! I'm not gonna edit my name. Yay! Team history. Let's check it out. Doot doot. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. Doot 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 doot. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe and put a comment below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!